welcome back to where we make it make sense. All right, so today we're going to be talking about continuous reinforcement, and the reinforcement that we're referring to with continuous reinforcement is reinforcement that you'll be giving to a client or giving to your child or giving to whoever you want to give to get them to continue to do the response that you're requiring. So let's talk about the Cooper, Heron, and Heward definition, all right? So it's a schedule of reinforcements that provides reinforcement for each occurrence of the target behavior, all right? So we'll write it here. And again, hope it's not going out. All right, what do we have? A schedule. Of reinforcement. Let's see. That provides reinforcement for that's the eraser. Sorry guys, the eraser failed. Ooh, I got it. Each occurrence of the target behavior. Now you see why a lot of times I'll just go ahead and write these definitions out, but sometimes I want you to see it. So, continuous reinforcement is a form of a schedule of reinforcement. All right? A schedule of reinforcement is telling you what schedule you should be delivering the reinforcement to the client, to your kid, to whoever you want the reinforcement to go to. And that provides reinforcement for each occurrence. So, when you're looking at reinforcement and we're talking about schedules of reinforcement, they usually have some type of criteria. And I'm just going to put criteria instead of response here. Here is response because it's asking, but just let me put criteria. All right. Has a criteria, they do it, then it's going to equal them getting reinforcement. Okay? So here it says each. So one response would equal receiving reinforcement. Okay? All right? So let me give you just a quick example. Here. We have an RBT working with the client. And they have a bag of chips. Okay? This is the table where they're working. Try to make sure I hold on to this eraser so it doesn't make that loud noise again. All right. So the RBT has a red square, and they're trying to teach, the RBT is trying to teach the kid to touch the red square. So when we're looking at this, the way you're looking at it is for a continuous schedule, which is a CRF. It's saying that after each occurrence of the target behavior. So what is the target behavior? Here, the target behavior, target meaning what we're trying to measure or what we're trying to receive is to touch red square. All right? So this is our target response. We want them to touch the red square. All right? Darby says, touch the red square, and the kid touches the red square. Then the RBT gives the kid 1 chip. Says touch the red square, kid does it, they receive 1 chip. Okay, so it provides reinforcement for each occurrence of the behavior. So they say touch red square, they get 1 chip. They say it again, touch red square, they touch it, they get a chip. They say touch red square, they touch it, the client actually touches, then they're getting the chip. And you repeat it over and over and over and over and over. And then what's happening is that the client is learning that if they hear touch red square and they touch it, that they're going to receive some type of reinforcement. So they begin to learn that touch red square, or you may just say red square. They touch it, they're learning that that's a red square. Later on, you may decide to put a blue square and start the process all over again. And then you'll put both of them and see if they can discriminate or tell the difference between the two. Okay? So remember, with continuous reinforcement, it's CRF. Also can be known as a RF1 schedule. These are the acronyms for continuous reinforcement, CRF, or it's also known as RF1. All it means is we have 1 target behavior, 1 target instruction that you want them to do. They complete it, they receive reinforcement. That's continuous reinforcement, folks. It doesn't get any simpler than that.